Want to know how to turn off break reminders in Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn off break reminders in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your Threads profile. Now tap on the two horizontal lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Similarly, you can see multiple options. Now tap on the accounts. Here at the top, you can see the break reminder option. Tap on it. Finally, tap on the never option at the bottom. So this is how to turn off break reminders in Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.